5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The learned single judge, while dealing with these two matters, had occasion to notice the effect of Section 32 within bracket 1a within bracket b not considered at all by the division bench of this court when they decided the matter, that is reported in 1987-89 Bombay LR 4 stop. The division bench was considering the effect of newly introduced subsection within bracket 1b in section 32 of the Bombay Tenancy and Agricultural Lands Act 1948 stop. This was introduced by an amending act number 49 of 1969 stop, as rightly held by the learned single judge in this order, the dated 2-1/1989, making the reference in the case reported in the said Bombay Law Reporter in the matter between Baji Rao Maruti Dhumal versus Shankar Yellappa Mane, the word possession as used in the aforesaid newly introduced subsection within bracket 1b was interpreted to include a constructive possession of the landlord stop. This was done on the basis that, as per the general law of property, owner of a property is taken to be in possession for all times to come till his ownership is extinguished stop. As a direct corollary thereto, it is obvious that even though actual physical possession is of a third party like a tenant or lessee, the landlord will have a constructive possession through the said third party stop stanza, where a tenant who was in possession on the appointed day and who on account of his being dispossessed before the first day of April 1957, otherwise than in the manner and by an order of Tehsildar as provided in section 29, is not in possession of the land on the said date, and the land is in the possession of the landlord or his successor in interest on the 31st day of July 1969, and the land is not put to a non-agricultural use on or before the last mentioned date, then the Tehsildar shall, notwithstanding anything contained in the said section 29, either suo motu or on the application of the tenant, hold an enquiry and direct that such land shall be taken from the possession of the landlord, or as the case may be, his successor in interest, and shall be restored to the tenant, and thereafter the provisions of this section and sections 32a to 32r, both inclusive, shall, in so far as they may be applicable, apply thereto, subject to the modification that the tenant shall be deemed to have purchased the land on the date on which the land is restored to him. Stop. Provided that the tenant shall be entitled to restoration of the land under this subsection only if he undertakes to cultivate the land personally and of such thereof as, together with the other land held by him as owner or tenant, shall not exceed the ceiling area. Stop. It being a matter under the said Tenancy Act, one has to remember the appointed day, which is 15/6/1956, and the tiller a day which is 1/4/1957. Stop. The petitioner matter was placed before the division bench of Dharmadhikari and Chaudhary J.J., who were in agreement with the learned referring single judge, but felt that if at all they have to disagree with the view of the division bench in the said Baji Rao Dhumal's case (1987) 89 Bombay LR 4, the matter should be placed before a larger bench. Stop. That is how the matter has come before us. Stop.